Hi guys, this is a very short video on how to hand in your assignments on Google Classroom once you finish them and are ready to submit. Now, a few of you mentioned that you don't know how to do this, so hopefully this video should make things a little clearer. So on your stream, you will have an assignment that you need to complete. I've got a sample assignment here. The assignment you'll complete will relate to the work you're doing. So when you click on that, the file that's been created for you will be up here. You need to select that file, work on it, complete it, and once you've finished it, you are ready to hand in. Now, if there is an assignment that I set you that doesn't have a document created for you and you create your own, you can actually add it to here by clicking on the Add or Create button. From there, you can go to your Google Drive, or if it's on your computer, you can click on the File button and upload it, or if you are starting from fresh, you can choose from the Create New. But most of the time, you'll have a look at Google Drive or you'll click on the file. But if it isn't, you can just edit this one here that's been created for you, and then this button is really important. You click on that, we'll ask you, are you ready to hand in your work? It'll say which one you are handing in. Click the hand in again, and that will then be handed in. Now, if you find that you have to add something to it, unless you unsubmit it, this will be a view only file. So to be able to edit again, you need to click on unsubmit, and then you'll be able to edit it again. Hopefully that sort of clears up any issues anyone has been having with regards to handing in work. And if you're still having any trouble, please email me.